Here we go. Once again, this is 6 a.m. Sunday morning. You watch them create a low and drag all this rain off of Queensland and New South Wales. Here it comes. Nice bit of rain getting out there. And they just drag it off. You can see it going down, the low. It hasn't actually created into a low pressure, but you can just watch it all get dragged off. Goodbye to rain. Here comes another front. You see the low there? You see the low creating here? Just in here. Always the same place. For all my years, there it is, here we go. All my years of watching maps, lows and highs being created here. It never happened. And watch it all get dragged away. Way. Let's take it all away. So a low has been created to drag the weather off the coast, off the mainland. Within reality, it all should have just stayed there. You can see how the high pushes it up here. And look what they're doing, creating more. These don't just happen off the coast of Sydney. It don't happen. The same as they do over here. They do exactly the same here. Look at it fizzling away. Cooper Pedy, Sejuna, Woomera have all got, these towers. There you go, another low created here. Let's get this off the land. Straight off. Creating another low down here in front of Sydney. And just take it all away. Here they go again. Here's another one. I hope we do get this rain over there, it's really needed. But they just drag it off. It's crazy.